Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're going to turn my Mach-E into a Mustang. Just kidding. We are going to spruce up the rear though. I have a new rear spoiler from AOSK, and it's the version 2 spoiler, so it's pretty aggressive looking. I'm going to show you. We'll do a quick install and I'll show you how it looks. So the first step, of course, is to clean the paint where the spoiler is going to be stuck to. It is using this 3M double-sided tape that's already pre-installed on the spoiler. Let me mount the camera and then we'll get to the install. Alright, so step one, we're going to spray down the rear hatch here with some dish soap and water to get that paint cleaned up. Unfortunately, the rear gets so dirty, as you can see, and I'm actually hoping that this rear spoiler will help the rear window stay cleaner because it does kick up that dust from the road with the aero on this car. Okay, the next step is to use the adhesion promoter pads that are included with the spoiler. We're going to wipe down the edge of the hatch where the spoiler is going to sit. They give you a bunch so you can go over it multiple times. Now I already test fit the spoiler and it fits nicely on the back hatch. In order to get it all lined up, I'm going to just start peeling the adhesive cover from each end, but I'm not going to take it all off. So I got each end started and I'm going to line it up on the vehicle. Keep the adhesive cover out, of course. It's pretty easy to line up. It really only goes on one way. Make sure your edges are lined up. This one is not, but you could still move it. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna slide the pieces before pushing too hard down. Alright, now we want to put a lot of pressure. Yeah, that feels nice and solid. No gaps, it fits very well. And I really like how it looks. One last step. I have some spray detailer on this cloth and just gonna clean off all my fingerprints. So what do you guys think? I think it looks great on the back of it. It matches all the gloss black on the roof and lower bumper, and it just gives it a little more aggressive look in the back. I know this isn't a true sports car, but it still gives it some character, so I'm really happy with it. If you guys are interested, I will put an Amazon link below. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to check out more Mach-E videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.